going to be playing Playtime. Just loading. Well, I'm going to go on Erin. Okay, I'm not really sure which one. I think I'm going to go on this one. That one. So, what do you have to... you have to decorate it. Okay. Not blue on it saying... Oh, I like some stars on it, yeah. Just wait. Yes. I've already got rainbow. Oh, spots. Stars, yeah, I need stars. 1 sec. Yes. Wow, that looks really nice actually. Okay, maybe I should. Okay, well. Oh, you just have to press it. Oh yeah, stars. Love stars. A bit of rainbow. Should have finished off the other end, but okay, let's go for the handbag now. Okay, well, press it. Oh, right. Blue is like nice on a handbag. Another blue. Okay. Rainbow, yeah. Rainbow. Need a rainbow. Wow, that actually that looks nice. You know what? The stars are my favourite. I think I'm going to go with the handbag again and the balloon beads. Oh yeah, press. Strange. Oh yeah, I love stars. Wait, there. Rainbow. Yeah. Stars, yeah. Just rainbow. Just do stars and rainbow at the moment. Okay, that looks nice.
Hey guys, it's Erin's brother Joe, and make sure to go and follow No, to go and subscribe to my channel, and mine's the better one. I do loads of videos like a boss. My name is, what was it again? Oh yeah, JK_Holorun. No, JK_2112. JKH_2112. Yeah, that's my Instagram, JK_Holorun. I'm gonna do something like cool, like bikes. I'm gonna go on bikes. I don't know how to play this game, so sorry. Hey. Erin's just taken over now.
I'm back, right then.
No, I'm doing this part, bruh. Not me, bruh.
Cars and boys. Do you know where you're going?
Nope.
Well, you need to get to the flashing part,
I know.
so you don't know where you get to.
Yeah. I just like to go for a nice big long drive.
You see? Right over there. I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, that's it. Keep going. What are you doing, actually? I actually don't know what you're doing. Alright.
I just did it, bruh. I just
my
did
turn.
it. Right, I think that's going to be the end of this video, actually. Thanks for doing the best. Also, remember to subscribe to my account. What do you say, Erin?
Bye, guys.